Firstly, prepare 8 by 8 grid. But in here we prepare 5 by 5 grid just for the showcase. These are the 4 kinds of signs we are using. The name, this is go forth, catch, turn right, and turn left. This is a go forth sign. When they step on this sign, they have to go into this direction, but only one space. So, for example, if I step on this, I have to go into this direction, one space. If you want your children to turn right and go forth, you have to put 2 signs in the same space. I have to resolve that I have to turn right, so I turn right. And then I have to go forth. So then I move ahead for a 1 space. The last button is the catch button. If you step on this button, you will catch the bunny bag. For example, first I step on the go forth button, so I go forth. Then I see the catch button, right? But in front of me, there is no bunny bag. The bunny bag is on my right. Unless I am commanded to turn right, I cannot try to catch the bunny bag in this case. There will be 2 stages of making the catching tool. At first, you will make a shorter version of the tool, and then you will, after retrial, you would have a longer tool. You can put the catch button when the tool is still short. You can try to catch the bag when you are right next to them. So example, the pink area, you can place the catch button and actually catch the bag. But be careful that you cannot try to catch the bag from the diagonal ways, which is indicated with the pink stickers. And now this grid indicates the places you can try to catch the bunny bag at the second trial, which means your catching tool has been much more longer. You only put this catch sign onto the places where it's colored with this yellow mats. Be careful that you still cannot try to catch the bunny bag from the diagonal way. Now we are ready to catch the bunny bag. First, decide where to put the bunny bag. For example, we are going to place this number to show you where we will put the bunny bag. But you don't have to follow the instructions. The chessboard would be much larger in the actual classroom, and it also depends on the children you are teaching. So just feel free to place the bunny bag wherever you want. Anyways, I'm going to place the bunny bags firstly here, and secondly I will place bunny bag in here. In each trial, you have to catch bunny bag 3 times. So I put number 1, number 2, and I'm going to put number 3 right next to the carrot. When children actually feel daunted to use the signs, you can give some hints by where to put the catch button. So we know that when the tool is short, you can try to catch the tool from here or here. So you can indicate these places with something like the mats or papers or anything. And as the question to the children, where do you want to catch the bunny bag? They will tell the places. For example, let's say they want to catch the bunny bag from here. Then gently put the catch button in that place. I am going to show you how to actually using these tiles and solve the problem of catching the bunny bag. So as I'm here, and so I think I have to go 1 space farther. So after this, I would be in here. The bunny bag is on my right, so I think I'm going to place this turn right button. But as I mentioned before, turning right only means to turn right. If I actually want to go into this catch button, I would need to place another go force button in the same space. Now I have step on turn right button and the go force button. Now I can turn right and go forth. Let's say our children actually caught a bunny bag from this way. But according to the story, the bunny bag flies away to the next destination, which is indicated with these number panels. So let's say we put the arrows in this way, which leads to this point where we can actually catch the bunny bag. So after the children place their sign, they will actually go through the program. So it will be go forth, turn right, go forth, and here, turn right, and catch the bunny bag. They go to team. First one is the commander, which gives the command, and the second one is the receiver, which receives the command. So in this case, I am the receiver because the commander already gave their command using their signs. So what receiver has to do is to follow the command. So give me a command.
Go first. Go first. Make your right. Go first. Go first. Go first. Make your left. And catch the bag. Yay! Good job!